Obviously, we've canceled our trip to Costa Rica. We were planning on this great trip to go celebrate our anniversary, my birthday, and family time to a country we absolutely love. Now let's get into why.
It was sure a surreal time leading up to this. It started about 2 weeks ago when we were watching everything on the news. And we were watching Italy, and we didn't take it seriously that it could spread as much in Canada as it did there. Like, really, we just didn't get it.
We felt it was safe as there was 0 cases in Costa Rica and only 20 in our country.
Plus, we had a direct flight to Costa Rica, and also the airlines were taking extra precautions in completely sanitizing their airplanes, and we thought the flight would be half full as well. So in our minds, we thought no problem, but little did we know.
Yeah, and then like 2 days later, things are getting even more serious where countries were closing their borders. And then the threat of our own country was to close their border. We were still going to go though.
I know. I think everything happened much faster than our minds could catch up to almost. That's what it felt like.
Yeah. What did you say?
It's like everybody peed on the pathway.
I know, it's all dark. Yeah. Yes, I am. Looks like a bomb came through here. It's like, there's no trees. Used to be all trees here. Yeah, we obviously didn't pick the right hike to do today. It's really, really muddy.
Well, there's no people though.
No people.
Perfect.
Whoa!
Social distancing.
I almost fell.
It was so crazy how quickly everything was changing. Another 2 days later, and we finally realized it was the right thing to do to cancel our trip for many reasons. First of all, obviously we don't want to bring a virus to another country and affect everybody else there. Secondly, we don't want to be stuck in another country with our kids, which obviously would happen now. And thirdly, we just don't know if we would not be able to get medical care or even food if we needed it. It was so crazy. This is so crazy.
We are now at home practicing social distancing, and watching what's going on in the world is so surreal. The stores are closed everywhere. I just can't believe it. It's like unbelievable. Normally this parking lot is all packed. This is empty. New normal.
And our hearts really go out to the business owners that are losing their companies and all the staff that are losing their jobs. It's tragic.
So as YouTube creators, we've really been struggling with what types of videos to put up. Travel is like the furthest thing from people's mind right now. And that's what our channel is. It's about travel and adventure. So this is what we're putting up right now.
That's why we haven't been uploading anything for a while.
That's right.
Obviously.
So if you're wondering where we are, we're right here, just like you, at home.
We'd love to hear your thoughts about what you think of the future of traveling. Do you think it will change? Since our comments have been disabled, we have created a Facebook group. Please find the link to it in the description.
Until the next video, guys, bye for now. And oh yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button.